So this is the video all of you have been asking for. You've been wanting to see a video of me riding on the Ruckus. So I'm going to deliver. Y'all wanted it. I got it. I'm doing it. I just did the check the tire pressure and make sure the tires were good. When you have, any motorcycle, any vehicle, period, really. Whenever you're about to go on a ride, to me, it's key to always it doesn't take a long time to check the tire pressure. Gauges are cheap. You can get them cheap on Amazon. And with that, you can know where your tire pressure is at, especially when you have something that's like stretched like this or low profile in the front. You don't want that to debead when you're going down the road. And when you have even the small motors, but even big motors like these, like 171, where you're capable of doing 80 miles an hour, if that thing debeads, that's a wrap. Like, you're going down, your build's going down. So my tires are down a little bit, inflated them both. We had some weather change, so it was going from super hot to super cold. I'm gonna go ahead and ride it. It's probably been about 3 weeks since I've rode. I haven't had a lot of opportunities lately because if you have seen my social media, if you don't follow me, make sure to follow my social media, Burnout Bobby. We're having another kid. So I'm having another little boy. So I'm gonna have 2 boys now. That's coming towards the end of the summertime. So we've been trying to get ready for that. Preparing the rooms. Our office is now going to turn into a guest bedroom, and then one of our other guest bedrooms is now going to turn into the office. So there's a lot of like moving stuff around, and it's just time consuming on top of taking care of a 2-year-old. So you know how it is. If you have kids, you understand, I would say. I only have a few minutes to do this, so I'm not going to go too far. Plus, I don't think this thing has much gas, and if you know me, you know that I have a reputation with running out of gas. I'm not going to do that today. At least I hope not. I do have to get gas. I'll get some probably during the middle of the week, and then I can do another video later. We'll go ahead and fire this thing up, make sure everything sounds good, and then get rolling. Look how stretched this thing is. All right, enough. You don't want to see that. You're here for the bangs and pops.
Alright, so I don't have much gas. As you guys know, if you follow the channel a lot, I'm notorious for running out of gas. I can get gas, but I'm gonna have to go get it at a gas station that's not close to here, and I don't think I will make it on the bike. So what I'll do is I'll just do a quick rip up and down. There's a little side road here that luckily isn't super busy right now. I didn't scrape. I don't know if you can see, but I'm pretty low to the ground right here, like touching my foot. But here it is. Y'all been wanting the video? Cruising on the bike. Super low. Pretty nice day out here. Come in here. I could keep going, but there's gonna be not a lot of turnaround spots once I down there. Professional hair. Never been over here. Let me go down here. Oh, this thing's a ripper. turning like this, you gotta come knee out, and I am almost scraping right there. So riding side by side with someone is probably not the best route to do this. I'd have to do it solo, and just kind of go at my own pace, I guess you would say. Bike is fun to ride. Compared to my black and gold bike, I'd probably say that one was super comfortable, real easy to ride. Like I said, I didn't really build this one necessarily for comfort or for cruising, I guess you could say. I really wanted to like showcase something a little bit different with the way I did the frame, the extension, the mount, all that stuff. But the black and gold one was more for everything like off-the-shelf parts. Very comfortable to ride. I could ride the thing forever. Once I got the handlebar situation down, which is like positioning of the bars, that made it a lot easier. This one, the seat is not that comfortable. It's very low. Because of that, my knees sit kind of high. So there's flaws to this as a everyday cruiser type bike. But I'm gonna go get some gas now. We'll cut it off in the garage. Like I said, I only had a little bit of time to make this video.
Alright, so there you have it. Did my first little ride on it for you guys. Like I said, it's a quick moto vlog. I don't have a lot of time today. I have a lot of plans, but I needed to get some content out, so I hope you guys appreciate that. I am, like I said, probably going to fuel up and do this again next weekend where I'll have a little bit more of a longer ride. I liked seeing just in that short period the people's reactions that they're having to the scooter, and I forgot how wild the reactions that people have to this are, like full neck breaking. Also, I am considering raffling off my Duke. So with the family expanding, I need to get a bigger vehicle because I can't fit 2 car seats in my truck. I really love the Duke. I never thought I'd get rid of it, but the family is expanding. There's stuff you got to do, right? So it's got probably just over 1,000 miles on it. Very low miles for, you know, when it comes to like a street bike. I have the KTM Unlock quick shifter. I have the stretch on it, the suspension upgrades, both front and rear. I lowered it. I have upgraded handlebars, the ergonomic seat. I also have, the bike was sponsored by Powertronic, so I have all of the Powertronic goodies when it comes to the injector optimizer, which is the Fuel X. It also has the Powertronic ECU with the Race Plus map tuning on it, and then also the programmable on the fly. You can change the maps from, I have them on the handlebar, so that's why I'm doing the thumb thing, but you can change it from that, and also change the richness of the bike by going through like 1 through 10 setting on the left hand side. So there's a lot of cool things on it. The exhaust is done, so I'm thinking about doing one of my raffles on the bike. I'll make a bunch of stickers, and I will get a bunch of stamps and envelopes again and go ahead and start putting stickers up for sale. Every sticker is going to be an entry for you to get this Duke. I'll do another video after my next ride-on video with the Ruckus again, and I'll do a full breakdown of the Duke and what you could possibly have. I really enjoyed this. I don't want to get rid of it, but you know, there's sacrifices you got to make for a family. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and then I will catch you as always on the next one. Thank you.